Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by prepping your project. Duplicate the timeline and import your clips so you can revert if needed. Once done, focus on the audio track. Open the audio inspector and enable rolls and waveform view to spot noisy regions quickly. Make sure to isolate voice versus ambient tracks by using audio lanes or external reference files. This setup speeds the process and prevents destructive edits. It also lets you audition changes confidently as you apply noise controls. Now apply Final Cut Pro's noise reduction effect to the problematic clip and select the background preset that matches your noise type. Once applied, dial the reduction amount while using listen mode so you hear changes in real time. Reduce artifacts by tweaking attack and release settings. Then, add a parametric EQ. Roll off low rumble around 80 to 120 Hz and gently cut any honky or harsh frequencies in the 2 to 6 kHz range to preserve Finish by automating dialogue levels with keyframes so speech stays consistent. Aim for peaks between -6 and -3 dB to avoid clipping. Once balanced, add a light compressor to tame dynamic spikes and render the clip. Then listen on studio monitors and headphones to confirm clarity. If you still hear residual hiss or intermittent clicks, export the noisy segment, repair it in a spectral editor, and re-import. This targeted approach fixes stubborn artifacts without degrading the whole mix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.